welcome to the Guy Who Sews channel. Today's video is going to be a fun unboxing of this wonderful box of goodness, which is the 100 Acre Sewalong by Artie's Quilting Co. Let's go ahead and take a quick look inside and see all the goodness inside. I love what they've shown you here inside on the lid. It says here that a day without a friend is like a pot without a single drop of honey from A.A. Milne, and it even shows you the full quilt design here on the lid, which they have not done before. Usually you get to see the blocks each month, but this time they decided to show the whole quilt design at the very front. Next up is a fun card. It says welcome to the 100 Acre Wood, and on the other side it tells you all the goodies that are inside, including your binding fabric and everything else. And then another nice note telling us there was a shipping delay on the backing fabric, and that will be sent separately in about a month or two. It doesn't end for 9 months. If it takes a while for it to get here, no big deal. Next up is the beautiful binding fabric, and these are all by Riley Blake. I think this is going to look absolutely stunning on the outside. Next up, let's take a look at the beautiful fabrics that are in store for us. They are all by Riley Blake, and I believe there's over 50 different fabrics in this quilt. They've separated it into different months, so I thought it'd be fun to play a game. Let's see if you can guess which character each month is for. I'll put a list up here of the different chapters, so that way you kind of have an idea, but I put this in alphabetical order, and it's not going to be the order it's in. So take a note of each one as you guess, and see which of you can get them all correct. So this is chapter 1. Make it a little closer for you. Next up, this is so pretty. Chapter 2. Next up, chapter 3. Beautiful blues. I just love all the different colors, and this is going to look absolutely stunning when it's all done. Chapter 4 is next. How you doing with the guessing so far? You getting them all right? Chapter 5. I think I'm going to play this game along with you guys too, and we'll see if you can beat me. Chapter 6. Oh, all these beautiful browns in that. I think I know which one that one is. And then chapter 7. I got a fair idea on this one as well. Chapter 8. I hope there's not too much crinkling. And we'll stop it there, because chapter 9, as a spoiler alert, is going to be all the little extras, like, you know, tying things together, all the embellishments and everything else here. So this is one that's not going to be characters. So let me know how you did with this, and how many out of the 8 did you get? I'll let you know what I got up here on the screen, because I haven't checked yet. I almost missed this, but this is the beautiful background fabric as well. There's several yards of this here. So this is going to be a lot of cutting and a lot of assembly, but I'm really looking forward to this. But that is not all. It would not be an Art East project if they did include a lot of fun extras. So here are all the fun extras. Let's take a quick look and see what's inside. First up, I got the printed patterns. You have the option of doing either the PDFs or the printed patterns. I choose to get the printed patterns because I just think they're absolutely beautiful, and it makes putting them together for me a little bit easier as well, so I'm not having to look at a screen the entire time. So that's that. And they mail those to me each month, so it's a nice little surprise for me each month, and they usually show up before the month starts as well, which is really nice. Next up, this is the swatch card, and inside it will show you all the different fabrics, and as I told you, there's like 50 some of them here, so that's fun. There are some templates for some of the honey pots and so forth. I'll learn more about this, but I believe if it's working the way I think it is, it's going to make putting some of these blocks together easier than in the past. And then they also included some stickers for each of the months, so that way you can put them on your fabrics to keep everything organized a little bit better as well, which I think is a fun touch. There are still more goodies within inside this box. The first thing is the embroidery thread, which we got to learn how to use this, because we got to do some embroidery stitching where the beads come out of the honey pots and that sort of thing there. And they also included some needles to go along with it. I know not how to do this, but I'm soon going to learn. I also got some Aurifil thread, which I can use for my piecing as well, which is fun. And then next up is a nice patch that I can put on the final quilt. And then one of my favorite things is stickers. We've got this one here. And then this one I think is really, really cute. This is have to go on one of my sewing machines somewhere for sure. And then they also gave us the unmarking heat erasable pens. I'm going to look forward to using these and seeing how they work out really, really nicely. Also some more sewing needles. I did get the premium package, so I've got all the bells and whistles on this one here. This fun little, I can't remember what these things are called. There's the things where you stick them on, you know what they are. Let me know in the comments, because I'm crazy. And then a nice business card from a wonderful long armor in Canada that loves doing this here. If you're interested, And then they gave us a code for 50% off any pattern in their shop, and I've covered the code because I plan on using that. And then, almost finally, a wonderful magnet, so that'll have to go somewhere nicely. And then the fun little bonus gift. Let's take a look inside here. A present with inside of a present with inside a present. Oh, this is fun. It is, drum roll, a fun little honey candle. Take a look at this. Isn't this stunning? I love this. It smells good too. So that is what we have in a wonderful box. The Sewalong starts officially on October 1st, although since I had the booklet already, I can go ahead and start cutting the fabric because it'll take me a while. Let me know what you thought of today's unboxing. If you want to jump in on the action, I do have an affiliate code for the Sewalong. These kits are sold out, unfortunately, but if you go over to Art East Quilting Co's website, they will actually have a list of different stores within US and Canada that are selling the fabric kits as well. So that way you can actually get the same kit fabrics as I did and join in all the fun. If you did enjoy the video, definitely hit the like button, tell a friend, and I always love hearing comments from my viewers. I hope you'll have a great day. Happy sewing, and we'll see you next time.